The next step with this particular visit by Putin to India, a short one, just over 24 hours, Putin has now extended an invite to Prime Minister Modi to visit Russia as well. There's a possibility that that meeting will happen and that visit will take place. The invite is for next year when there is an annual India-Russia summit. Let's bring in Shivani Sharma for more details on this. Shivani, there was a lot of talk that Prime Minister Modi could be headed to Russia next year. The formal invite has been extended. Any confirmation of whether the Prime Minister will be attending?
See, after the meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Putin, a joint statement has been issued and a formal invitation has also been given out to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the next annual India-Russia summit that will happen in Russia. And the confirmation will it's soon expected from Prime Minister's office. But we must tell our viewers that this is very important to understand because the India-Russia annual summit happens to be one of the most important and advanced interactions between both the leaders of both the countries. This is not just bonhomie between two leaders, but also how India and Russia are moving ahead, taking their strategic ties in all issues, on all issues and spheres, ranging from counter-terrorism to space to nuclear energy, the civil nuclear energy, the health, and how keeping the Make in India initiative, how India is collaborating with Russia and how Russia is now extending uninterrupted fuel supply despite the sanctions from the West and also the United States. So now when the invitation has come, it is expected that Prime Minister Narendra Modi would be travelling and he can travel to Russia for the next India-Russia summit that will happen in Russia next year. That will happen in the third quarter, that towards the end of the year next year. So we have this confirmation.
It could be around August, September is what we're hearing. But thanks very much, Shivani, for getting us those details. Now, in just a few hours from now, there's going to be a president's banquet. This is in the Rashtrapati Bhavan, hosted for the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Now, here's a news break that's coming in that's going to trigger a political showdown in India. Reportedly, there's been no invite extended to Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, or for that matter, the Congress president and the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge. Rahul Gandhi, Kharge have not been invited. Reportedly, however, what's interesting is that Shashi Tharoor of the Congress has been extended an invite for this formal dinner that will be taking place in a few hours from now.